Molly Mall, Mr. C, Scoob Lover, Scrap Lover, JC, Born True, B-Boy, Hawk. The wrath of Kane, taking over your circumference, destroying negativity and suckers that come with the weak, the whack, the worst, the poor. I thrash back, crash man, and then more. Blow up the scenery, I reign supremacy. You need a savior to save your soul, lean on me. I prey on rappers like a haunted ghost and stomp them out like a wanted roach. I slay my prey and they decay. I blow away and throw away, so go away, cause I don't play. Attacking like a psychopath, breaking rappers in half, so feel the wrath of Kane.
The name is Big Daddy.
Here to bring trouble.
The name is Big Daddy.
Here to bring trouble.
The name is Big Daddy.
Here to bring trouble.
The name is Big Daddy.
Here to bring trouble. The man at hand, the rule and school and teacher, reach the blind to find a way from A to Z and be the most and boast, the loud and proud to gain the reign of domain. Yeah, Kane. The heat is on, so feel the fire. Come up the empire on a more higher level than death, one step beyond dope. The suckers on scope and hope to cope, but nope, cause I can never let them on top of me. I play them out like a game of Monopoly. Let them speed around the board like an Astro, then send them to jail for trying to pass go. Shaking them up, breaking them up, taking them stuff, but it still ain't loud enough. So Mr. C, let the volume grow so I can flow. Now yo, choose cruise the family, Slick Rick's a friend of me, and Dougie Fresh, Step Care, rest a public enemy. Blase Raw, you know who you are. The red, black, and green, the sun, moon, and star. Knowledge yourself is being taught here on After. Peace in the name of myself, Lord and Master. I come to teach and preach and reach you each. With the speech, every leech I'll impeach. Drop science and build with math, and the dumb, deaf, and blind to feel the wrath of Kane.
The name is Big Daddy.
Here to bring trouble.
The name is Big Daddy.
Here to bring trouble.
The name is Big Daddy.
Here to bring trouble.
The name is Big Daddy.
Here to bring it all break down. Bring it back, see. Line by line, chapter after chapter. Like a pimp on the street, I got a raptor. Those who chose to oppose friend to foes, I still dispose and blow them out like afros. So many rappers are fronted to get a name out, yelling and screaming and dreaming, but still came out off the wall and butter soft the yaw. So you waited for Kane to come forth the all. Competition to bite and chew and crunch and munch to play the opposition. You on a mission, so stop lying and trying to front adventures. Your rhymes are more false than dentures. Freeze as I get warm like a heater. You bite like a mosquito, but still can't complete a rhyme or find the time to design a line or phrase the page. So you dine on mine instead of fronting and trying to be a friend of. You might as well say, guess who's coming to dinner? So just quit, submit, and forget. You must be on some new improved ish. I get busy from sun to sun. I'm only 21 and untouched by anyone. No one throws, bangs, or blows. All foes, I keep them running like pantyhose. They get soft and tender, front and then surrender. I turn off more lights than Teddy Bender, grasping on your class, force, steam, and staff. But when I'm in effect, they feel the wrath of Kane.
The name is Big Daddy.